Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just to get to the point of it all, Clip Studio Paint is better than Photoshop for artists. I don't know why this program is not the industry standard for artists. I've used Photoshop for many years and that was the only program that I would draw in. I brought Clip Studio Paint Pro a couple of years ago, but I never used it due to my computer at the time not being able to handle it. But I upgraded my computer since then. I would use the 3D models in Clip Studio Paint and transfer them over to Photoshop, and that's how dedicated I was to Photoshop at the time. But in 2020 of November, I decided to take the leap and upgrade from the Pro version of Clip Studio Paint to the EX version since I am making a comic. Boy, when I say I should have done this a long time ago, I mean it. Clip Studio Paint is an amazing program and my crappy tablet agrees. I've had so many issues with my Yee Nova tablet, or however you say it, when working in Photoshop, but switching to Clip Studio Paint, I've had limited issues altogether. It works pretty much almost perfectly. Now I want to get into the reasons why Clip Studio Paint is better than Photoshop. Clip Studio Paint has better pricing. Pro being $49.99 US dollars, EX being $219 US dollars. That's $219, not $2.19. But Clip Studio does sometimes go on a 50% off sale. You can also buy the Pro version, and if you wanted to upgrade to the EX version, then you only have to pay the difference and not the full price. Also, for Clip Studio Paint, there is a one-time payment instead of a subscription like Photoshop has. And even before the subscription Photoshop had, the pricing for Photoshop was extremely expensive. Another reason why Clip Studio is better is because it is especially great for comic and manga artists. Because it mainly is for comic and manga artists. But don't let that fool you. Just digital artists who want to do illustrations, concept art, etc. is more than welcome to do so. And I think the coloring and blending system is beautiful in this program. If you upgrade to the EX version, you get the chance to organize your comic pages in different files and open them in a viewer and see all the pages spread out. I don't just use this feature for my comic pages, but I also use it for my character designs, as I have them all on separate files. Also, the user interface overall is better and user-friendly. When you first open a program, there may be a lot to look at, but pretty much they're just showing you how powerful this program is in all of its features. You can easily remove the tools that you don't need to look at and move around everything to fit to your drawing style. You can do the same for Photoshop, but what I find that Clip Studio does better is organizing the brushes, so much better than clumping them all together. There are different tabs for the brushes such as watercolor and thick paint. The standard brushes that come with the program are amazing for painting and line art. You honestly do not need to find brushes from outside just to get started. It has a better mini 3D program in it where you can pose default models and use them for references, and they even have a few environments as well to speed up your work progress. There was a recent new update in which you can record time-lapse videos of your work. I haven't tried it out yet, but I am planning to. I'm pretty sure it works just like the Procreate time-lapse feature. Also, you can move in your Photoshop brushes now, which is really cool. One thing I do wish that they would bring in is the liquify tool. That would make Clip Studio Paint extremely powerful. Maybe in the next update they will. The workaround that I found was using the mesh transformation tool. So the day I started to use Clip Studio Paint seriously is the day I fell in love with the program. So that was pretty much around November on Black Friday or the day after Black Friday. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. It is better than Photoshop. Well, in my opinion, it is. Do you disagree or agree? What do you like or not like about Clip Studio Paint? Is there a program other than Photoshop or Clip Studio that is way better for digital artists? What is it and why? Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for staying this far. Like, comment, and subscribe. Take care and have a good day.